guys, this is Mrs. G from Academy, and I'm with my daughter,
Sophia.
and today for our creative time, what did you decide to do, Sophia?
Cookies.
And we want to give a shout out to Natasha over at Mojave Vista for making us one smart cookie. So baking is a great thing to do with your family during this time because it not only gives us family bonds, but it also has reading skills, math skills, and most importantly, how to follow directions. Are we good at following directions, Sophia?
You said directions.
Are we good at following directions? All right. So the first thing we need to do is gather our ingredients. Sophia, can you help us read? Or in her case, she's TK, so she's going to look at the pictures to help us see what ingredients we need. What do we need, Sophia?
We need 1/3 of butter.
Okay.
1/3 of butter.
Okay, so we need a butter. Okay.
And 1 egg.
And 1 egg. All right. So we got our 2 ingredients here that they required. And then the first direction says heat the oven to what, Sophia?
375.
Great job. So right now with my TKer, we're learning how to recognize numbers. So we need to preheat our oven to 375. Please make sure you're with an adult and that you're asking for permission. All right. So we got our oven preheating. And now it says we need to stir the cookie mix with softened butter and egg in a bowl. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Pour it in. I don't pour it in.
Okay.
We have to pour everything.
I'll pour it all in, bub. All right. Good job. So we poured our cookie mix in. The next thing we need?
An egg.
An egg. Make sure you don't put the shells in with the cookie mix. Ooh, and if we get eggs on our hands, what should we do at home?
Dry your hands.
How about wash them off? Give us a second while we wash them off.
We're back from washing our hands.
Awesome. And now we're going to add the softened butter. It said on the directions to soften the butter in the microwave if you don't have already softened butter.
Pour all of it?
Pour all of it. All right, and let's get every last bit of butter because we know butter makes it better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I make some at my grandma's.
All right, you ready to stir, Sophia?
Yeah.
All right.
Serve this.
You're going to stir with that one?
Yeah, move this one.
All right.
It might be a little bit hard.
So if you notice, we've followed directions. We've had practiced our reading, and we've practiced some of our math, and now we're practicing chemistry because in baking, it's all about getting the right mixture to make something very yummy. How are we doing, Sophia?
Good.
You need help? Nope. Okay. All right, guys, so we finished mixing our batter, as you can see here. And with Sophia, since she's a younger cook, I like to give her a little bit more direction on the cookie sheet. So instead of just giving a big cookie sheet, we are going to use a little mini muffin tin. It is completely up to you what you like to use to create your cookies. Now, Sophia, let's make a guess, an estimate. Do you know what an estimate is?
No.
Let's guess how many cookies we can fill in this sheet. So we have an array here and we go 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 6 across. Sophia, count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we can go 4 up and 6 across. For those of you who know how to multiply, what is 4 times 6? It's 24. All right. So Sophia, how many cookies do you think we'll be able to make? Do you think we're going to be able to make all 24? Or do you think we're going to make more or less? What do you think?
24.
So she thinks we're going to make 24 cookies.
Out of this old batter.
All right, so let's see if she's correct. Can I give you an example of how to scoop the cookies? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to use our spoon here and get a good chunk of in the spoon. and then we're going to put it into our little muffin tin. So we're going to get kind of like a thicker kind of cookie here. How's that look, Sophia?
Good.
Good?
You could use your fingers to put it all around.
We made sure to wash our hands beforehand, right?
Yeah.
All right. Would you like me to do another scoop or you got it?
I got it.
Okay, you go ahead. Nice job, Sophia. There we go.
Just spread it out all around.
All right, here we go with our last scoop. Wow, Sophia, how many cookies did we end up making?
24, just like I said.
Awesome. So we made 24 cookies, or we call them 2 dozen as well. So here's our cookie sheet now. Okay, Sophia,
All right.
so the next thing it says to do is we need to bake as directed below until all the edges are golden brown, and then we will let them cool for a minute. So our cookie size is regular. So how many minutes does it say that we need to cook it for?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right. So we are going to bake our cookies for 10 minutes in the oven. And then when we come back, hopefully we have some delicious cookies to share with you guys. So see you soon.
And here are our cookies.
They're all nice and cooled off now. Sophia, are you ready to try one?
Yeah.
All right. And since we put them in a nonstick pan, they pop out really easily here, guys. All right, Sophia, you ready to dig into your cookie?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. How'd they turn out? Really good? Thanks for joining us today, guys. And meet us on our next Creative Time. See you soon. Say bye, Sophia.
Bye.